In 2023, TikTok Shop transformed social media by launching an e-commerce experience within the app itself. This exciting development allows merchants and creators to showcase their products to a vast audience. Now users can shop directly through videos, creating a seamless in-app purchasing experience like never before. Imagine shopping live with your favorite creators, tapping to purchase items as they showcase them in real time. TikTok Shop is packed with diverse product offerings, from trendy fashion to must-have beauty items. This innovative platform marks TikTok's leap from entertainment into the dynamic world of e-commerce. Discover the Shop tab, prominently positioned between Following and For You, guiding users to endless shopping possibilities. Every product listed includes fantastic photos, detailed descriptions, and easy purchasing options for eager consumers. A favorites section enables users to save products, ensuring they never miss out on essential buys. Wondering how to make your products shine on TikTok Shop? Presentations play a crucial role. Feature your goods through in-feed videos, tagging items for effortless purchases while engaging with your audience. Live shopping events provide an interactive twist, letting customers watch and engage directly with merchants. The TikTok store connects with other e-commerce giants, integrating smoothly with platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce. TikTok Shop's user experience is intuitive, offering personalized recommendations tailored directly to customer interests. But remember, aesthetics matter. Follow guidelines for product images to ensure they catch every eye. Images must be high quality and formatted correctly for maximum impact on potential buyers. Video content is equally important, with quick, engaging clips between 5 to 60 seconds recommended. To compete with other e-commerce tools, TikTok Shop emphasizes creativity, fostering a unique shopping atmosphere. Track performance through the Seller Center, gaining insights to refine your strategy across products and promotions. Partnering with creators isn't just beneficial for brands, it enhances the income potential for influencers as well. Engage in TikTok's affiliate program, where influencers can receive commissions for driving sales to their favorite products. With the hashtag #TikTokMadeMeBuyIt trend taking off, this program presents immense opportunities for growth. Leverage TikTok's vast audience to boost your visibility and capture attention like never before. Sellers can also provide exclusive discounts, driving customer loyalty and fostering long-term relationships. TikTok's emphasis on creativity attracts a younger audience in search of personalized purchase experiences. Elevate your advertising game with TikTok shopping ads, promoting products to targeted audiences seamlessly. By utilizing effective keywords and high-quality visuals, you will increase your reach significantly. TikTok Shop's potential impact on e-commerce is extraordinary, creating pathways for brands to gain consumer traction. This technology paves the way for small businesses aiming to expand their customer base significantly. With its innovative approach, TikTok Shop could redefine shopping norms across the industry. Ready to seize this opportunity? Sula is here to elevate your TikTok Shop content creation. Unlock tailored, eye-catching content that sets your products apart and drives sales to new heights.